Okay, so in this video I'm going to be sharing the best side hustle in 2026. There's obviously loads of side hustles that do well, like Whop clipping, selling digital products, dropshipping, all that type of stuff. I'm actually going to share the best side hustle in 2026 and what the difference is between Whop clipping and actually selling digital products. And I'm going to go through in this video, I'm going to share the pros and cons of both Whop and clipping and selling digital products, especially going into 2026, so that you can make thousands online the way that you want to do it. So not just like one way of doing things, not just selling digital products, not just through clipping. I'm going to share exactly how you can do it, and the one that's actually made me £250,000 online, and I'm going to share exactly how you can do it as well. And again, as you can see here, that's just from one store, £200,000. So let's get straight into it, right? What is Whop clipping? And again, if you don't know what this is, Whop clipping is essentially, there's these guys here, and this guy's Brez Scales. I don't know if you've seen him before, but yeah, he has essentially made millions because of clippers. Essentially, clippers, what they do is they go into these community groups I'm going to share in a minute, and you can go in there, they supply you the clips, so like all these creators, so like Drewski, Brez, TGR, all these people, right? Loads of people online, even like loads of rappers and everyone are doing it now. They give you the clips and everything that you need to essentially just share videos. So he done a viral video where it was like a guy came up to him and said like, "Hey, nice rental," to his Lamborghini, and then obviously that thing was getting clipped by all of his clippers. That went viral, and then this was obviously driving traffic to his landing page, and he was obviously getting people to buy his course and his mentorship, and even his like agency as well, his marketing agency, which is really cool. So again, that's the power of clipping. Essentially, they supply you the clips, as you can see here. Drewski, you can join his clipping community. Ambro, he gives you like £3 for every $3 for every 1,000 views that you get him. So if he gives you a viral clip and you go and post it on a social media page like an Ambro clipping account, and you get 1,000 views, you literally get $3. It's just easy money, right? Like here, you get paid £2,000 per million views, which is really crazy. Like you can just go and join these Whop communities, literally by just searching on whop.com clipping, and all these platforms just come up. And you can go in here, and this is one way that you can do it. And this is really good, right? Because they supply the clips, and you literally just post them. They show you how to do it and the training and everything as well, which is really cool. Then they just pay you, right? So again, £2,000 per million views. Like put it this way, I've gained like millions of views myself on my own brand. And these guys pull literally crazy numbers. Like they're already viral, so their videos are going to go viral as well. So it's really good. Like Ambro, you can join his community and earn $3 for every 1,000 view you get him. Like that is crazy good. Like 10,000 view video, which is like super easy nowadays. You can get millions of views. That's like £30. So £30, like say you had one video a day going viral, getting 10,000 views. That's £900 alone just from one clipping community and one creator. So again, that's just from one community as well, which is really cool. But here's the pros and cons of Whop clipping, in my opinion anyway. Again, myself, I work through Whop directly like myself. I sell digital products on there. I have done now for ages. I've generated thousands on there. And I think it's the best platform ever. So like I do a lot of videos on there, and I'm going to share more about it as well. And again, I'm going to share the pros and cons of Whop clipping. Right? So pros, it costs £0 to start. You can do it literally from anywhere. You get trained from scratch. So in these communities, you get trained from scratch how to even use social media, how to post them, what like formats go viral, how to edit, that type of stuff. It's really cool. The hard work is literally done for you, so you don't need to try and go viral yourself. These guys go viral, and you can just post their clips and you can get paid for it, which is really cool. It's competitive and rewarded for good work. So if you actually get loads of views and you actually get good work and you get good results, you actually get rewarded for it, which is really cool. These are the cons in my opinion as well. Obviously, there's like everyone has their pros and cons and stuff. Yeah, but these are the cons. So like you actually have a cap on what you can earn. So some campaigns they might like put £10,000 into one budget. So say like you've got like a 10 million view video, you might get capped because their only campaign budget was like £10,000. And I saw like loads of backlash and stuff like that, especially with like Brez, because he only had like £20,000 in a campaign or something, and somebody earned like £30,000 worth of clipping. So technically they're owed that, but they weren't because that was the campaign budget. So there's kind of a cap on what you can earn, which is pretty annoying. There's no real long-term growth business plan with it, and it can just stop anytime. Like these creators could just turn off that community group, or they could just, the views could be bad. And again, you're just relying on views to make cash, right? So overall, you can make thousands with Whop clipping, like 100%, but overall score, I give it a 7 out of 10. And again, myself, I don't actually do it, but I speak to loads of guys who do it and they make thousands. So, but now here's how to actually make thousands of pounds with digital products, and this is literally going to blow your mind. And again, if you're watching this, much appreciated as well. If you comment Whop down below, I'll send over like my free Whop video so that you can go and learn and make loads of money on Whop. But this, I'm going to share now how you can make thousands with digital products, because it's the best online business out there, 100%. But firstly, what actually are digital products? So you might not even know what they are. Digital product is a downloadable and online item you can literally sell or use. So for example, a template, PDF, guide, ebook, or video course. However, not just a random PDF. Like we need to be different now. You can't just sell a random PDF and just expect to make like 10K a month or 20K a month. And again, hold on, this is going to be something you've never heard before. This isn't going to be like generic digital product advice. This is something that's actually going to change everything, right? So why is selling digital products the best side hustle or online business? And again, creating a personal brand and then selling digital products around that, or just a brand in general. You can create something once and just sell it forever, right? You can create for free via Canva or Whop. I've done loads of videos on how to create digital products and stuff. You can check out my whole channel for that. And again, if you comment Whop down below, I'll send over a free course how you can go and create on Whop and sell on Whop. And again, AI can do 95% of the work. So I'm actually going to insert a clip now of how I've created a digital products code that you can get for free. So essentially you can say to it, hey, create a digital product for me, create my whole plan around it. So I'm going to insert that clip now so that you can go and do that. And again, if you comment down below, digital products coach, I'll send it over to you and get free access to that. Okay, so this is the digital products coach. Essentially, it can do anything for you, from create a digital product plan for you, pick a niche, help you with marketing. So again, you can get access to this down below. If you just put in the comments, digital products coach, just that, I can send this over to you and you'll get free access to this. This is usually for my DWS students that I help one-to-one and stuff, but you guys can get it for free, screw it. If you go to it and you get access to this, all you need to do is essentially do one of these three things, or just ask anything. But let's say, for example, you want to create a digital product plan. You just click create a digital product plan, and what it will do is just give it a minute, because obviously AI and everything. And again, this isn't just like generic ChatGPT advice. Like, I created this with my own knowledge, everything that I've done to make over like £250,000 online. And again, it will just start doing anything for you. As you can see, you can press either answer now, it will just do it. And then again, it will do it with you. So you choose your niche and it will help you do all of this step by step. Phase 2, define your ideal customer and main problem, choose your product type, etc., etc. So again, if you want access to this, just comment digital products coach down in the description and I would send you over free access to this so you can just start doing this yourself. So again, AI can do 90% of the work, and insane profit margins, right? All from your phone, or you can do it from a laptop. It's completely up to you, and it could even be done faceless, which is really cool. And every single creator is doing this, right? Like, look, William Brown, he's exited I think it was £18 million digital product / coaching business just from being online and sharing what he knows. Ali Abdul, he's made millions helping creators online with YouTube and lifestyle businesses. And Matt, this is actually one of my clients as well. He's made £12,000 within 6 weeks, completely fresh new offer. So he's actually a friend of mine and he helped me loads with YouTube. So I said, look, why don't you just help like other people grow on YouTube? And he helps individuals make 10K per month with YouTube money making machines, whether you're not sharing your face, because he actually does it faceless. But he helped me grow my YouTube channel that generates like thousands every single day, which is really cool. So again, yeah, he's generated 12K within 6 weeks just by essentially doing all of this. And I'm going to share how you can do it as well. So how to actually make 10K with digital products and a personal brand, or just a brand in general. So this is one of the things I was talking about. You have to be different. So you need to have experience now. You need to have apps, games. You need to build relationships. You need to have cool resources. Not just the generic, like, here's a PDF, go and learn. I just think you need to create experiences. And on Whop, you can create apps, games, all that type of stuff. And again, if you comment Whop down below, I'll send over that video how you can do that. Solutions. So you want to actually create solutions and quick and long-term solutions for your customers, not just like, oh, here's a PDF, go and learn and go and do this. Timeframes. If you have a time frame, like, can you give your customers a time frame? So like lose weight in 60 days. Results, can you actually get your clients results? Have you already got results? That's another way that you can actually make 10K. If you have all of this, is really good. If you build problems, problem solutions, the money literally comes to you. Like, generally is so easy if you just build solutions to people's problems. The money just comes to you. Content can change your life overnight. This is the biggest one. Content can literally change your life overnight, right? Now, where to start? The simplified way. This is what I always go by. All my products are simplified. I teach people the simplest way possible. And again, if you want to work with me, creating your digital product and building a brand from scratch, get into your first 10K per month, or even 20K per month, or 30K. I help people on a 5 figures basis. So I'll leave a link down below. You can book a call with me and work with me one-to-one. Super free call, super chill free call. I'll literally just say to you, what do you need help with? If you need help with something that I can help you with, I'll send over some options. If I can't, we go our own ways. But yeah, simplified way. So essentially, first we need to create your niche and your brand. This is the first steps. So we'll get more into it now. Audience, so who? So like, who are you actually looking to help? So I always go by like, I help X, do Y by doing Z. So that's what you want to have. The biggest possible problem list that you can think of. So like, if your audience, whoever your audience is, create a problem list that they can, that they essentially have. And this is really good because then everything becomes a lot easier when you know your audience problems. Then you want to create your offer / package. So like deliverables, features, what you're going to have inside of it. You want to then create content every single day. So whether that's on TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, everyone has their own like preference and different platforms work best for different people. And essentially just share online how to solve X problem. And that is literally it. So if you're trying to help people lose weight, one of their problems might be dietary. So like, here's how you can actually eat a nice diet that's going to help you lose weight, right? If you did a video on that, it would go viral, 100%. And it's going to help people. You're speaking directly who you want to help. You then need to create your funnel / your store. And again, if you need help with that, just drop me a message down below and I can help you out with that. I've done loads of other videos how you can do that as well. Get client results, share the results as content, and literally just do this and repeat this every single time. So niche, brand, audience, create your offer, create content, and just keep doing it. Get results, share the results as content. And that's it, right? The best digital products to sell nowadays are the ones with experiences and differentiation, timeframes, i.e. make money in 60 days, simple steps, and an easy user experience. And I think this is the best one possible. So you can underprice and over-deliver like crazy, because this actually increases customer value with ease, and then you can upsell. So again, you want to increase customer value, right? It's a lot easier to get one customer to buy 5 different products than it is to get 5 different customers. Trust me, it is. So that can actually increase customer value if you underprice and over deliver like crazy, right? So the next steps for you, this is literally it. So in terms of this video, you're probably watching this thinking, yeah, okay, digital products does sound a lot better than Whop clipping. And genuinely it is, because there's a lot more long-term growth of it and you have that flexibility and everything. So yeah, the next steps for yourself are, you need to write this down, who you are and who you want to help. So again, I help X do Y by doing Z. How are you going to help them? Are you going to be doing it via a course? Are you doing it a community group? Are you doing it with coaching? You could do all of this via Whop as well. So again, if you comment Whop down below, I'll send over a free video how you can use Whop to earn loads of money, pretty much. Then you want to package this into, again, a course, a community, a digital product, and again, put apps in there, games, and in the Whop video, you can learn how to do all of that. And then just share the stepping stones to the big problem solution. So again, like if you want to help people get to your big problem solution, which is your digital product, you need to help them with small stepping stones. So like, here's how you can do this for free. Here's how you can gain weight, lose weight, for example. Here's how you can eat a fresh diet without having to eat greens all day, for example, right? They're stepping stones to your big problem solution, which is your digital offer. So if you're sharing the stepping stones, the mini like free videos and all that type of stuff, and then they're going to follow you. They're going to want to watch more. They're going to follow you. They're going to drop you a message. They're going to want to know what your digital offer is. Then they're going to purchase from you. So again, just create content and share to the world how they can solve X problem, and the money just comes to you. And again, next steps from yourself, just join the Digital Wealth Simplified community, which is myself. It's a 25 plus module program, how to create a digital product from scratch, how to market it, how to upload your funnel, how to create your funnel, everything, and even figuring out what your niche is and who you want to help. So again, if you want to join that, I'll leave a link down below, the DWS community, or you can just click the work with me button, book a call with myself, and we can go from there further. So yeah, that is essentially the best side hustle online. Whop clipping is a really good one, but yeah, selling digital products for me just takes it, and yeah, you can generate thousands with it. So I hope this video helps, and again, comment down below Whop, or comment down below the digital products coach, and I'll send over those free resources, and you can just go and do this yourself. And thank you for watching, subscribe for more, and there's going to be loads more side hustle videos for 2026 coming up. So yeah, thank you very much.